Another one. Hey, there's our first trout. Bam, okay. Another one on. Oh, I think we got us another red here.
So Panama City, where we are on the north side of the bay, it's really, really unique. You've got these big, lush grass seagrass beds that as you're following these and you look at them, they turn into this white sand that goes up to like a 2 to 3 foot powder sand beach that then turns into these towering pines. It's magical. So kayak fishing is low impact. It's easy to learn. The boats are wide, they're stable, and you pick and you choose how far you want to paddle.
You literally can't launch in any place in the St. Andrews system and not catch fish. There's got to be 300-400 miles of shoreline here, and all you need is a little opening in the weeds to throw a kayak in the water, and there are fish nearby. I think this is just an incredibly easy area to access for anybody of any skill level, but particularly people without a lot of skill level.
So Florida really lends itself great to kayak fishing because most of the waters in Florida are gin clear, which actually gives you an opportunity to see the fish. And when you're kayak fishing, it adds that extra element to the hunt that you're actually there in the water. You actually get to see the fish working like a grass line, and you're in the element, you're there with it, and it just makes kayaking so special when you're chasing fish.
Me, I like kayak fishing for 3 main reasons. One is the self-reliance. You feel like you accomplished something with it. Number 2 is the physical attributes of it. Keeps you in shape. And number 3, my fishing has really improved since I gave up the center console and took up kayaking.
Kayak fishing in Panama City Beach, get out here, give it a try, and get hooked.